guys, this is second day of me working on my jet ski. So yeah, we left out by removing all the plastic, and after that I got finally to get a view of the damage from the inside. So we had the foam pieces, so I ended up cutting them side and the middle piece, so that way I can have everything open and, you know, just a full view of what I need to get done. So basically you see here the crack and all the damage from dot to dot. So basically, you know, what you see over there is basically the tip of an airsoft, because I was cutting it so it can release the stress, because as you can see over here, this section over here was pushed in, and it was like creating a lot of stress, so I didn't want it to make the crack longer. So that's why I ended up drilling some holes right at the end of the crack, so it stopped right there in the time being. So right now, you know, see, I ended up cutting it, so it's all like even right now. But once I finish, we're gonna see the result. Alright guys, so I ended up using this just to help me bringing this a little bit down so it can be even right here. And as you can tell, and you see the shadow of my hand, it's all even. Everything is now even. So yeah, right now we're gonna go on the other side, which is this side over here, and we're gonna end up you know, doing the fiberglass work. We're gonna start sanding basically everything here, but mainly this crack. So once we get this crack sanded down, we're gonna lay some material, which I'm gonna show you in a little bit. And then the other thing that I wanted to do is, after repairing this, I'm gonna try to reinforce everything on the front up to like the end of the foam. From side to side, I'm gonna try to reinforce it from here all the way to the front. That's the plan right now. Alright, it's a little bit hard to see and notice, but everything on the front is sanded, mainly this part over here, which is the crack. You can tell that it's a little bit deeper, and it have a better grind, since that's the most important stuff that we need to address. The rest, it have a lot, like, not scuff, but you know, you can see the grinds basically all around, making sure that the surface of it is rough enough so the material that I'm gonna lay down will adhere to it. So what you see over here is basically just one layer of just matte, like fiberglass matte. This will help basically get everything together. After this, I'm just gonna do another layer, and just in case, this is a 1.5 ounce fiberglass matte. So after this one, I'm just gonna do another one, second layer, and after that I'm gonna do a 1708 layer. Just basically over here, what I'm doing is just you know, taking fiberglass, like taking resin out of the cup with the brush. That way I can go ahead and use a roller just to get everything even, and I don't have a lot of resin accumulated on one section. Like for example, if you see this right here is too glossy, it's because you have a bunch of resin. I'm just tossing a little bit, like making it wet, so that way the roller will basically spread everything out evenly, and it will be nice layer. What I'm doing here is getting all the hair on the edge stick to the area of repair, so it can be it can get a nice bond to the part that you're working on, which is on this case it's the whole of the jet ski. And you're gonna see a little bit of drip over there and over there. Doesn't matter at this point, it doesn't matter, because obviously, like I said before, I'm gonna reinforce the whole thing. I'm just doing this so I can get the repair seal, and I can put an extra layer on the actual repair. So once I put like one layer, the second layer, I'm gonna do 2 layers on the rest of the repair, so this will technically be a 3 layer. What I'm doing here is you know, using the roller so I can spread out the resin, the excess of resin, and get everything, like all the material, like even out and spread good. Taking at the same time, taking the air pockets out of the material, so that way you don't have any future cracks or any problems with it. Alright guys, as you guys can see over here, I started doing the repair on the crack with 2 layers of matte. This is the other layer that I was talking about of matte. After this, I'm gonna be doing the 1708, and we should be good to put it back together.